Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Chaos Space Marine Cultist Assault. As you can see, I went to Akron and got 10% off at £25.20. It's just tricky to get hold of. I couldn't find it in actual Games Workshop shop, so this is literally just going to be a quick video. So this is obviously the front of the box. You get 21 miniatures, which includes Aspiring Champion, or I'm guessing new rules states you can probably play as an Exalted Champion. You get 20 Cultists. This is the back of the box, so you get these dudes painted up, showing you the detail, weapons, blah blah blah. And this guy here with an axe, funky backpack, basically a champion, which, as I said, Exalted Champion it might be allowed to be used as, which usually tells you that it's a HQ and 2 sets of troops. Looks pretty cool. I intend on using this for a Renegades army and possibly branching out into maybe some other Chaos Space Marines, therefore getting the most money. And obviously I've already got Chimeras and Lehman Russes to be able to use them as Renegades and Heretics, and therefore effectively another army just buying 2 troops. Cool. We'll jump right in. Right, so I'll crack on. Let's get the plaggy off. Plaggy. The plastic. Come on, you get. This will be most of the unboxing, to be fair. It seems like it's taking its. Come on. Let's move the plastic out of the way. I've already seen the box, obviously with less of a shard. On that rubbish in my pocket. There we go. These guys, let's open the box. See what is inside. It's in UK 671. Don't know what that means. Come on, you play. There we go. Let's open it up. There we go. So we get a couple of screws, I'm guessing. And a base. Cool. So I'm thinking this is the 32mm. So that's the empty box. Put that in the background. What have we got? It looks like it's going to be a carbon copy of the same sprue, I'm guessing, over and over again, which is fine because they haven't really updated the Chaos Cultist, but they look alright to me. I've already got, I think, one of these guys. Are you going to focus? Yeah. And where's the other guy? The guy who looks like an Adeptus Mechanicus Rogue. I say that because he's got the same kind of rebreather type thing. Are you going to zoom in? Yes, no? There we go, that'll do. Yeah, so that's that one. And again, carbon copy. So basically we get 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them sprues. So these guys are all the same. So we've got 20 models, there's 5 on a sprue. And then we get the guy from the Dark Vengeance box set. It's got a cool little base there, that'll be cool. To glue Wargamernick to paint up and do, which I might do separately, may or may not. And maybe just too eager to glue it together. So this is basically the HQ and the 2 sets of troops just there. I'll probably convert at least 2 of these guys so they've got like a flamer or something. And to prove that you get it from the thingy, they've also included this, which is his instructions. So we've got the 10 25mm base. He has instructions which are pretty straightforward. Wham the arm on, stick him in the base. Wham the arm on, stick him in the base. Win a chicken dinner, and that's his as well. So yeah, I'm guessing, judging by it, as I said, I've got what looks like a 32mm base, and then there's a 25mm decorative base. I don't know whether is it a Necron. It is indeed a Necron head. Some of the viewers may not be very impressed with that. Looks like a spine from something else. Who knows? It does look like a Necron head. Pointy chin. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, obviously, the main part of this video is just to unbox so you can see what's in it. If you've seen a Cultist sprue before, this is going to do it for you. It's exactly the same. Yeah, personally, obviously, we'll see how it looks when I've glued it all up and possibly painted it all up. But I think it's a cool little set. You basically get a HQ and 2 troops in one box set, which are just £28 if you get it from G-Dubs. I got mine for $25.20, did I? Something like that. Basically, a start of a small army for under £30, and they're easy to stick together as well. So, if you liked it, put some of these bad boys. If you didn't, some of them. Let me know what you thought, and possibly suggestions on how to paint them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.